It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and we are in Vista today doing a rehab and a smoke and mirror on a property that we installed 3 or 4 years ago. You may remember this beautiful vertical that we installed. Obviously, it needs a lot of help. So Hannah and I are going to work on popping new cuttings into the vertical and getting it all tightened up. I've got Kevin and Omar here to pull a lot of the plant material out. Everything has gotten so big and overgrown. We're going to cut and reset. We're going to pop in fresh top dressing rock and just make this look like a shiny new penny once again. Progress, she's being made. So look at this hot mess of crap that we took out. It's so important to do that. You know, you have to take things out so you can look and then thin the herd and put things back. So with this gorgeous vertical underway, we want that to steal the show. So we've decided to keep the bottom very minimalistic. So we are going to pop a couple of things in around these pots. I'm going to put an aloe vera, big beautiful aloe vera in the tall black pot. I put a little bracteosa in the medium pot. I'm going to leave that little aloe where it is. I'm just going to clean it up. And then over here, I took the trigona out because there's a shutoff valve that they couldn't get to. So I thought, oh, I'll just make it smaller. And as I'm making it smaller, I'm realizing it should just come out. So I put some pieces of trigona over here in this pot. And over here, just sansevieria and some bromeliads. That way we don't have to worry about this growing and overtaking the valve and access to it ever again. So Hannah had a great idea on the vertical. Rather than fill it, you know, from stem to stern with cuttings with plants, she's going to glue some moss to cover up the chicken wire. She's going to glue moss in places and have some of it open. I think it's going to look really good. I'm eager to see what you guys think at the end of the video. All right, we are done with our rehab of this garden space. So pleased with it. We knocked out the vertical and we added more moss to cover up the chicken wire and just a really soft, beautiful look. Hannah did a beautiful job on that. We kept everything pretty low profile down here below, and I top dressed with black 3/4 inch lava rock to keep it really simple and easy to maintain. Popped in some color here, a little mangave here, little trigona and some aeoniums here. We've got these two beautiful little verticals that our client rehabbed herself, and it's a winner, right? So I hope you're inspired. You don't need a giant space to create a really beautiful garden. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity in Vista with your succulent rehab of the day. Bye, guys.